Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going into my oldest daughter's room. She has one of the prettiest bedrooms in the house, but then when you walk into her closet, this is what you see. She has zero organization going on in here and no storage space. So we're going to show you how we went from this to this. A very simple but organized closet that she put together practically all by herself. We got to work right away by taking everything out of her closet first. Not only was it necessary, but it was a great way for us to see what no longer fit. She had a lot of clothes in there that she didn't wear anymore. And then there were some toys and backpacks that we needed to purge and donate. Next, I uninstalled the wire shelving system. I needed a drill, some pliers, and a screwdriver to do this. And of course, you'll want to patch up the holes before you move forward. We wanted something very simple in her closet because she doesn't have a lot of space in there. So we went with the ClosetMaid Suite Symphony with the 25-inch tower. It accommodates closets that are anywhere between 7 and 10 feet wide. Hers is actually about 6.5 feet wide, but as you will see later, it fit perfectly. We got to work right away assembling the tower first. The instructions are very easy to follow, and she honestly could have done it all on her own. Once the towers were assembled, it was time to move them into her closet space, stack them, and install them. With this system, you can customize the shelving space to make it as wide or as narrow as you'd like. So she worked that out before we got started, but she can easily add more shelves or change it in the future. And then she got to work designing her space. We had some leftover wall stickers from a previous bathroom project that we did that I will link in the description box below for you. And here is a look at the final result. A very clean, very pretty, and very organized space that she can change and update as her needs change in her closet. On the right side of the closet, she's got a space now for her tops and scarves, dance items, pants, and skirts. And over on the left, she's got her long hanging space where she's going to store her dresses and dance costumes, and her laundry hamper, which is now much more functional. She can separate her lights and darks before she brings them down for laundry. And we found this hamper in the clearance section at Home Goods. In the center tower, for now, she's storing some sweaters, her daily accessories, handbags, jeans, and shoes. I also installed some battery-operated track lighting that she can turn off and on at the push of a button. This is a tight squeeze to show you a full pan, but I'm sure you get the idea. We installed a very simple system and it gave her a very impactful upgrade. It just allows her to see everything so much better to help her stay organized and clutter-free. Although this system comes without the shelving option, I'm glad we opted for it because now she even has a space to lay out her dance gear that she needs to grab on the go. So we are all done with your new custom closet. What do you think so far?
I really love it. It looks so functional, really easy, and really pretty.
Okay, so on a scale from 1 to 10, with 1 being the easiest and 10 being the most difficult, how hard was this project?
Then like a 2.
Okay.
Because it came all together, all the pieces, and all we had to do was put it all together besides the shelves.
Right.
Since they were originally too long, so we had to have them cut down, and then they fit right in, so it was perfect.
Cool. All right, so why don't you show us around?
Okay, so we have the tower part where I keep my shoes, jeans, sweaters, and jewelry, so it's easy to get dressed in the morning. And then we have all the dresses over here. This is the new hamper that we got. I really like it because you just separate your lights and darks before you go down. Before I have to carry it downstairs, so it's much easier. Then we have the shirts over here, short sleeved and then long sleeved in the back, and pants and skirts down here. And we have a nice storage shelf right here where I can put things like usually my stretching things, which I usually didn't know where to put before besides in my dance bag. Right. It makes my dance bag cluttered. Yeah. And then we have a lot of storage up there. Keep backpacks, mementos, trophies. And that's basically it. Yeah, I think we did a pretty great job. I love how you have it working so far, and now you have some space. We found this really cute basket yesterday at Home Goods. Have you decided what you're going to put in there yet? Not yet. Okay. Well, I really enjoyed this project with you, sweetheart. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed doing it with you, too. And now you are ready to go back to school shopping. All right. Well, thanks for letting us into your space. Enjoy the rest of your summer. I love you. If you like this video and you know anyone who needs help with closet organization, please like and share. And as always, until next time, I'm wishing you love and peace. At the Millionaire House.